Hey guys, we have 2011 MacBook Pro, which a customer brought to us that it doesn't charge the battery and it's not charge CSO, which we already have. But when we check, actually what the customer said that it will charge the battery, and when you disconnect the charger and plug it back again, the system will not charge again. So what we did was to trace the line, and we discovered that U7000 is not giving us a normal volt to the charger to charge this in. So what we did was to replace our U7000, which is this. This is U7000. So we've replaced it with another one here. Now let's test with our battery to confirm. Okay, now let's plug in the battery. Like what he said when you plug in the battery, the charger, it will charge and it will stop. Now we've connected the charger. We have a green light and no orange light though. Okay, we have orange light. No charging. There's no charging. It's charging now. There's no charging again. Will kick off the night here tonight at Minute Maid Park in Houston, Texas. I think there's a very real possibility that Minute Maid Park may be renewed for money by the time Roman Reigns and King Clover are done with one another. Okay, we have orange light. Let's unplug and plug back again. We have green light and orange light. So it's now charging. It's now charging. What actually was happening was the customer said that when you plug it and plug it back again, it will not charge. But after we have changed the U7000, everything is working now. So keep watching.